our advanced forging facility. Today, we'll show you exactly how high-quality steel parts are forged from raw billets to final perfection.
Hold it right there. Perfect.
I've processed the receiving report. The count is accurate.
Load is secure. Coming up now. Watch the swing. Taking it to the yard.
Easy now. Bring it down slow.
All right, clear the chains.
The gas pressure is holding steady at 50 psi.
Good. The oil flow rate looks nominal as well.
Vehicle Bravo, position the drums in Zone 4. Ensure the path is clear before returning to the staging area.
$50.05 on the caliper.
50.04, confirmed by laser scan. Within tolerance.
Send the 16mm to lane 4. Moving them now. Watch your clearance on the left.
Logging nonconformance 22C. Material segregated to the red zone. Awaiting disposition.
Control, this is main panel. Radio check, over. All preheating parameters confirmed.
Check the pressure on manifold 3. Reading steady at 50 psi. All right, initiating sequence.
Boots checked, apron secure, face shield clear, you're good to go.
Control to floor, confirm billets are aligned.
Affirmative. Moving the next stack now.
Keep that rhythm steady. Watch the spacing on the next push. Hold it there. Seal engaged. Pressure holding steady. Confirmed. Let's log it.
Temperature climbing past 600. Color change is uniform, dark red.
Temperature check on billet 7. 1250 Celsius, verified against the control panel.
Check the uniformity across the cross-sections.
They look consistent. Heat distribution is optimal.
Confirmed. Proceed with extraction preparation.
Door is open, sending the hook down. Roger that, heat shields up.
Ready. Pull together. Steady now. Keep it level.
Clear the extraction area. We are moving the billet now.
Roger that. Keep it steady. Rotate it clockwise now. Got it. Easy, easy. Center it up. Steady now, easy. Centered on the mark. Back away, she's ready to drop. Turn it.
Set.
Bring it down. Turn it. Hold it 90. Hoist is clear. Ready for the hammer. H250, W200. Looking good, maintain pressure. The audio is dominated by the loud industrial sounds of a forge. Heavy
Control, we're cleared for return to furnace B. Lowering the billet now, keep it steady.
Move it faster, get it to the press. Clear the path, watch the heat. Move it! Time is short. Ready for the final strike. Alignment check. Confirmed. Thumbs up. Clear to press.
Verification complete on these 5. Surface is clean. Pass for heat treat. Look at this hairline here. Yeah, that's definitely a crack. Go ahead and mark it for rework. Did you verify the soak time at 900 Celsius?
Yes, 2 hours exactly. Ready to initiate the cycle. Check zone 3, make sure we're still within tolerance.
Reading 895, right on target. Logging it now.
As shown in this microscopic overlay, the elevated temperature causes the coarse forging grains on the left to reorganize and refine.
The heat treatment relieves internal residual stresses, The elevated temperature allows atomic level stress relaxation.
All right, pull it straight out. Watch the heat.
Got it. Moving to the tank.
Drop it.
During tempering at controlled temperature, the steel's microstructure transforms from brittle as quenched martensite to tougher, tempered.
The parts gradually return to ambient temperature, completing their heat treatment journey from rough forging.
For forgings requiring precise dimensions beyond forging tolerance capabilities, parts are mounted in CNC lathe chucks or between centers for turning operations.
$185.2 joules. Noted and recorded.
Right there, you see the indication starting to bleed through.
Confirmed. That one definitely has a seam. We have the dimensional data and the hardness results here. The heat treatment cycle is confirmed.
Looks complete. Authorized for shipment.
This one can be salvaged, but it needs to go back to the milling station.
Agreed. I'll flag it as rework and update the QMS report now. Looks good. Alpha 567.
Alpha 567 recorded.
Bring it back another foot. Watch the pallet.
Dispatch confirms SKU 4520.
All right, let's get the straps on.
All right, easy on the descent. Bring it down another foot.
Roger that. Coming down slow.
Watch the clearance on aisle 4.
Easy now, center line.
Right there, hold it.
Perfect. Secure the load, driver.
All checks cleared. Here are the documents.
Thank you, we're good to go.